Alright guys, today we're going to be taking a look at something a little bit different than gear and beard products. Just mixing it up a little bit, so stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, aka the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you're new here, if this is your first time on any of my videos and you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, hiking videos, then you've come to the right place. Take the first step, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click that little bell so you're notified when I drop new content. Alright, so today we're going to mix things up a little bit. We're going to be taking a look at something a little different than beard products and gear. However, if you're an outdoors enthusiast and you like being outdoors, then you're going to enjoy this video. All right. I know something with the beard community that we really key in on is customer service. So that's the reason I want to make this video about this company today. So I made a purchase on Amazon a couple months ago. I purchased a pair of Shady Rays sunglasses. Now, these sunglasses, you may have seen them in my Atlanta vlog, but these are just basic classic style sunglasses. Shady Rays, all their advertisements, they talk about lifetime warranty. Replacement, lose them, break them, they're stolen, whatever, lifetime, they'll replace them. So I was like, you know what, we'll give them a try. We'll try them out and see as an alternative to my other sunglasses. Some I can just throw in my pocket and go and not really worry about them that much. And so I picked this pair up. Now on Amazon, these right here were $45. They're just a classic style, nothing fancy. They're wood grain, and I just went with the black lenses. Now these glasses, they are fairly lightweight. They're a little polycarbonate. They're plastic lenses here, but they wear really well. They're lightweight, and like I said, $45. Well, I broke them, as you can see. Broke the arm off of them. And so I was like, well, now's a good time to test out this replacement plan that they have. So I reached out, I did the little form on their website, reached out to Shady Rays and said, hey, I broke my pair of sunglasses. And about 3 days later, I get an email and it said, pick your replacement. In other words, they give you an option. You can get this pair back, same pair, for free. You just pay shipping. Or you can upgrade and get a better pair or a different pair if you so desire. Well, I went with just the same pair. And within a week of filling that form out, I have my second pair. Just as good as the first. I paid less than $9 for shipping and got my replacement pair of sunglasses. Now they do allow you, I think it's 2 or either 3 replacements for the lifetime of your glasses. So you can't go and just replace them. After about the 3rd time, you just have to buy a new pair. But after the 3rd time, you've invested enough money, you could have just bought a new pair. But overall, the quality of these is worth $45. And to know that I have a lifetime guarantee that all I've got to do is pay $9 or less for shipping to get a replacement pair. If I break them, lose them, whatever, I'm sold. I know you've probably seen their ads all over Facebook or YouTube or whatever where they say that they'll replace them. And I'm here to tell you that they will. I had to pay $9 shipping, but overall, it was worth it. They are very well made for the price glasses. Now they do have some that are a little more pricey than $45. They've got some that go up. I think the most expensive ones I saw were about $90. So I don't know what the difference is in materials or anything like that, but you can purchase these from Amazon, get free shipping for $45. Again, it's just a pair of glasses that I can throw in my pocket, not really worry about a whole lot, because I know that if I break them, I can get them replaced fairly inexpensive. So I wasn't going to do a review of sunglasses. That's not what this channel is about. That's not what this channel is. However, the quick turnaround of the replacement pair of glasses made me want to do a review just for you guys, just to see that if you're in the market, and I know you've seen the commercials, the ads for them, to tell you that it is true. Now, I paid for this pair. I paid shipping for this pair. Shady Rays is not, I'm not an affiliate. I'm not endorsing them, or they didn't send them to me for free. They don't know I'm doing this video. So, but I just wanted to let you guys know that if you're in a market for an inexpensive pair of sunglasses, that if you break them, lose them, they're stolen, whatever, you can get them replaced for a very inexpensive price. All right, guys, if you've got any questions, drop me comments in the bottom down there. Let me know. Otherwise, until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.